Volunteer organizations ramp up efforts to help the most vulnerable population amid the COVID-19 outbreak. WANE 15's Angelica Robinson talked with leaders from two groups who are working together to mobilize volunteers in order to best serve the public. And she joins us now with that story.
As people are making a mad dash to the grocery store to stock up on groceries, there are some people who simply cannot. Today I talked with leaders of two organizations who are working to make sure the elderly and those in poverty have hot meals every day. Delivering hot food is nothing new for the folks who volunteer for Homebound Meals of Fort Wayne. But the COVID-19 pandemic has created a new set of challenges.
If you are living with someone who is aged or in one of the demographics that could easily catch this, you don't want to bring it home to them.
On average, 250 meals are delivered by volunteers daily. Many of those volunteers are retired. Executive Director Barbara Umber says delivery drivers are down 35%. That's because some of them are considered high risk if they contract COVID-19. Others live with someone who is.
The ones who can are driving.
In the midst of this pandemic, we're seeing neighbors helping neighbors.
I'd like to give a shout out to NeighborLink because they came in like a knight on the white horse and are trying to supplement the drivers that can't drive.
NeighborLink Fort Wayne has made it their mission to help senior citizens, people with disabilities, and low-income families get through the most trying times. For them, collaborating with Homebound Meals was a no-brainer.
I think in the most immediate needs, we're going to be responding to those things that don't require a lot of one-on-one interaction. And we'll do our best to try to figure out how to get things delivered or meal prep.
As the health crisis continues to evolve, every day looks different, and volunteers with Homebound Meals are adapting.
We used to hand the meals right to the clients, but what we're having to do now is we're today, tomorrow, and the next day we are delivering coolers and ice packs so that there's no contact.
Umber encourages everyone to just be a good neighbor.
And sometimes it's just as simple as making a big pot of soup or a big pot of stew and sharing.
Homebound Meals and NeighborLink are always looking for volunteers. For more information, head over to our website, WANE.com. Reporting in Fort Wayne, Angelica Robinson, WANE 15 News.